come to the market to buy the ingredients for today's recipe, steamy rice beef. Welcome back! Today's dish is from my grandma. The ingredients from outside the local area were limited, so most of her cooking used the local ingredients and the traditional Hui flavors. Her recipes were passed down from her mom and shared by other local families. That's why her dish is a window into Dali Muslim cuisine. To introduce today's dish, let me ask you a question. When it comes to a big celebration and the festival feasts, does your family have any must-have dishes on the table? Oh, in my hometown, it's all about
8 bowls. 8 bowls
literally means 8 different dishes served in 8 different
bowls.
Different Western cuisine, which more often use plates,
Bowls
is more common type of tableware in Chinese dining. Number 8, in Chinese culture, is symbolized as luck and fortune. So now, you've probably guessed it. Today's recipe is one of
8 bowls
from grandma's time. During festivals, or when host the guests. Without surprise, we can always find it on the table.
This dish is super simple and easy to make. You will need beef cube, either brisket or tenderloin, rice, caoguo powder, fennel seeds, ginger, spring onion, soy sauce, and sesame oil. First, dry fry some rice over low heat until it turns golden. Don't rush this. Keep the heat low. Then grind it into a coarse powder and set it aside. Dice ginger and spring onion. Now it's the time to marinate the beef. Add caoguo powder, fennel seeds, soy sauce, sesame oil, diced ginger, and spring onions to the beef cube, and mix it all up. Add the ground rice powder and coat each piece of the beef evenly. If you like, you can also cut some potatoes or sweet potatoes into chunks similar in size to the beef, and coat them with the rice mixture as well. Now, place the marinated beef in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Transfer the marinated beef to a large bowl. Add water to a steamer, cover, and steam the beef. Okay, time to serve. Here's the fun part. Traditionally, you'd flip the bowl, the steamed beef, onto a bowl or a plate, so it comes out in a nice round shape. It's all about symbolizing completeness and good vibes. Since I'm not hosting a party today, I paired it with a salad and some vegetables to make it my dinner. That's it. Now it's your turn to try it out. Let me know how it turns out. Ciao!